pled guilty to doing a couple of abhorrent, disgusting, outrageous animal acts. And that's what I think of people who commit violence. And then I'm looking at this text message. Who is this Resendez girl?
His sisters.
When did you send this text message? It says, thanks for your response. There's no bad feelings or intentions. We've done for Jorge and his kids from the goodness of our hearts. So explain to me, how do I interpret this text message?
Well, Your Honor, he wanted us to also see if they would help. His family turned their back on him. Nobody would even help him.
What you just said does not help your case. You just told me that the people who are closest to him said, heck no, buddy, you're on your own. And you took him on as a bad risk. It may have been nice, maybe you thought you were looking out for your daughter, but did you really? You knew that he was lying to her about his life.
Well, Your Honor, if he's trying to say that he had no intentions on repaying me, why did he give me a $200 money order towards the payment? He said that he was gonna make payments to me.
Sir, do you remember your text on May 19th?
Yes, ma'am.
As soon as I pay you back, I want nothing to do with your ass. Did you send her that text?
I did, ma'am.
So in order for me to let you off the hook, I have to say, you know what? Never believe a liar, even when he says in writing he's gonna do something. You shouldn't believe him. I don't know if I wanna go quite that far.
Your Honor, when I said that to her, me and my family were going through a tough time. We barely lost our mother due to COVID, and it was pretty tough for us.
So you felt pressured to make that?
Little stress on my life at the time, so I just told her what she wanted to hear.
You were just trying to get her off your back.
Yes.
Do you think your mother would be proud of the fact that you've had to go to court and plead guilty to putting your hands on women?
No, ma'am, absolutely not. She has been a victim herself for domestic violence.
So then if you lost your mother, and if your mother was herself a victim, then you need to think about getting your life right. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I have nothing further.
I do have a question that I want, something that you just glossed over, and it has to do with the car. Ma'am, it's your position that this vehicle title, which was turned over to you, was not for the purposes of reimbursing you for the attorney, but to reimburse you for other monies that you laid out during his incarceration.
That's correct.
Tell me again what you thought this was about, because you used the word collateral. Who needed collateral?
Collateral for the lawyer, I guess. I don't know.
Did the lawyer say that they wanted collateral for something?
The lawyer,
No, Your Honor, I think he's getting his words mixed up.
The lawyer
Hang
at first, the $5,000 that they had given the lawyer wanted more money. That's when they dismissed the lawyer and they got me the public defender. The public defender finally ended up doing his part.
Okay, because the bottom line is this guy wasn't going to take on a predicate felon and bring this case to trial. So you knew that there was going to have to be payments somehow. That's kind of where I was going with this.
Yes.
Okay, I'm good. Judge Correa,
Yes, just a quick question. Alyssa, you have a son.
Yes, I do.
How old is he?
He's 3 now,
And who does he live with?
me and my mom.
And who supports him?
I do.
And do you get any help from the defendant?
No, we're currently going to court for that,
You
but
never got a penny from him?
no,
Not a penny.
no. And when I served him the papers for court, he stopped seeing our son.
Thank you very much.
All right, then we are going to excuse the three of you while we deliberate in this matter. Thank you. I actually almost had a laugh. Remember when you said, I don't know whether I should take everything you say as a lie, and then when you said, so when you admitted this, and he goes, I was lying. I mean, he confirmed it for you. Yeah. Everything out of his mouth, everything he types, everything he writes is untrue. I think he wanted a lawyer because he knew what his background was. Mm-hmm. He knew he had all these priors. He knew this was going to be something that he was either going to have to plead guilty to or go to trial with, and I think he really did tell them, you know, I'll pay you when I get out, I'll pay you when I get out. So I am completely comfortable with reimbursing her the $5,000, and I used the word baby's mama not because I think it's a good term, but because I was like ridiculing him for the terminology.
Got your context.
To talk the way he did was just indicative of everything he feels about women, and which is why he goes down the path of abuse. Mm-hmm. So
I agree. I find the complainant very credible.
I can hear the words coming out of his mouth. Please, please, I really need, I can hear it. There is no way you are going to convince me that that woman took money out of her 401k, which is not easy to do, without thinking that he was going to pay her back, as he said in writing he was going to do. So it's a very easy verdict for me.
Me too. Okay, so we're all on board, $5,000 to the plaintiff.